Stay powered up anywhere with the DJI Power super-fast car charger. With 1.8 kilowatts of ultra-fast charging, it works with both your car and solar panels. Perfect for road trips, outdoor adventures, or everyday use. Fast, reliable, and built for life on the go. In this video, we'll talk about these topics: unboxing, smart features, specifications, how to use, device settings, and safety precautions. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the DJI Power 1.8 kilowatt solar or car super-fast charger, 45 ampere car charging cable and SDC to SDC adapter cable, a fuse box, 60 ampere fuse, 6 M2.5 hex socket screws, and M2.5 hex key. Want to grab the DJI Power 1.8 kilowatt solar or car super-fast charger from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features. Automatic two-way power management. The charger's primary smart function is its ability to switch intelligently between two modes to protect and manage both the power station and your vehicle's battery. Recharge mode. Reverse charge mode. Auto mode. Smart app control. With the DJI Power dongle, you can connect to the DJI Home app for advanced monitoring and control. Connect with wireless connectivity, customize settings, adjust charging power, monitor real-time status. System safety and protection. The charger incorporates safety features to protect both the user and the equipment. Stabilize voltage, controlled power delivery, protects circuit. Specifications. How to use. Choose a safe indoor spot for the super-fast charger, power station, and expansion battery, away from heat or impact with good ventilation. If outdoors, install them on a sheltered balcony or under a garden roof. Ensure all devices are within Wi-Fi range for app control. Before use, update the power station firmware with DJI Assistant 2 Power Series and power off the device. Connect the solar panels to the MC4 cable of the super-fast charger. Use DJI Power solar panel MC4 extension cables if extra length is needed, and make sure positive and negative connectors match correctly. For larger output, connect panels in series panel to panel or parallel with the MC4 parallel cable. Align solar panels in the same direction without obstruction for best performance. Connect the super-fast charger to the SDC port of the power station. If using an expansion battery, connect it to the lower port of the battery, then tighten all cable ports with the included screws using a hex screwdriver. Optionally, use the DJI Power 1.8 kilowatt super-fast charger XT90 to MC4 adapter cable to connect additional solar panels to the car's solar charging port. Device settings. After connecting the power station to the DJI Home app, you can view input or output info and enter settings to check details or update firmware. Tap Energy Management, Recharging Settings, then choose Auto, Recharging or Charging mode and adjust parameters. In Auto mode, the system switches between charging and recharging based on the car battery voltage. For the 1 kilowatt charger, press and hold the mode button to switch modes. The solid green light shows the active mode. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your DJI Power 1.8 kilowatt super fast charger. See you in the next one.